Mama? Hey, Mama? Hey, Mama? Mom? Hey, Mom? Are you there? I'm calling my mom because she's good in English. Mom? Oh, Mama? Yes, I'm calling you. Why? Because my viewers challenging me to speak in English.
English.
Yes, you can. Come on.
Try.
Hey, bro, you still ouchy? Yes, I feel ouch. I still feel ouchy. I felt ouchy.
What are you talking about? Sige na, bye-bye.
No!
Why?
Talk to them in English.
Ha? I will try.
They all love to see you. Come on.
I
To see you speaking in English. Come on. Maricho delighted, thank you so much. Thank you.
What's that?
Fly.
Fly away.
Thank you, Mommy Rowan.
Okay, bye-bye.
Don't comment, don't...
I leave now.
What?
I'm leaving.
What are you gonna do?
You are torturing me.
Good morning po, Ma'am Elena.
Good morning.
Hi, Cecilia.
You have so many friends.
Yes. Hi to your mom, bro. You talk to my subscriber and my supporters in English. You say thank you for you thank me for supporting me.
Thank you very much for supporting Nikoy. He's a good son to me, and he loves me so much. Bye-bye.
My mother, she's my mother. She's my mother. Michael Christian Algalado. Ma! Andito si Michael Christian, si Kelshan. Hi Kelshan, shout out.
Michael Christian, shout out.
My brother is here also, Michael Christian. Hello. Melissa Ferrer, inabala talaga ang Sige na, Ma.
Bye-bye, I am washing my clothes.
Close? Ito mo talaga.
And I'm cooking our breakfast. Yun.
Buddy, what's your message to your mother? Pabira ka talaga yan. My message to my mother, okay. I wanna thank her every day because also to my grandfather who is in heaven because they are the one who raised me since I'm 2 months old. Yeah, every day I thank Mama Ellen because of that. Also, she tissue. And also, pambihira talaga rin. Actually, kaya mo yan mix. No, I can't speak right now because my tears going to fall? To fall? To drop? You're such a good son. Yan. Mom, if I'm speaking in English, thank you. Just I want you to be on my side. Come on. I want to thank you personally. Yan. Heart to heart.
Oh, sige. What is it?
Mom, I want to say thank you for everything. Because you and me. Yes. Together here in our house, house. Thank you for preparing breakfast every morning, for preparing lunch and dinner.
Oh, that is nothing.
And thank you
That is my obligation because you're my son.
And thank you for folding my clothes. And I don't know how to fold clothes. That's why when I'm living in Manila, all of my clothes hanging because I don't know how to fold clothes.
Yes.
And also, Mom, I want to say thank you because you're adopting me.
You are my son. You're not
Oh,
my
thank you.
You're not my adopted son. You're my my real son. Because you sacrificed your work in Manila just to stay with me here. Just to be with me here in Dayan.
Don't make me cry.
I'm just good. It's true. You're living a good life in Manila and then you transferred here. And that I am very thankful because I'm living alone here in our house.
You're good in English, huh?
Tsamba lang yun. Sige, bye-bye. Nice meeting you.
I love you, ma'am. I love you. I love you.
Okay, I love you too. Bye-bye.
Mom, I love you like CJ to be your future daughter-in-law. Mom, someone asked me, do you like CJ to be your future daughter-in-law? Krista Jane.
Why not? Why not?
Tita Gemma is asking.
Why not? She's a nice girl.
Nice girl with
With a golden heart.
whoa, and a talent also. And yes, yun. Okay, ma.
Okay.
Go back to your ano. I feel blessed because yes, I feel blessed because everyone says I love my parents and mapagmahal. I'm a lovable son. Yan. Ang sweet naman. Ito si Mama Ellen kay Baby Krista natin. I felt a crush on CJ because she's a good person. She has a matured mind. She loves her parents. Everything she's doing is for her parents. She studied hard. And she mentioned me before, she joined singing contests. She's every time she's joining. She's always joining singing contests to support her parents. And also, I like her. I like her sense of humor. I love the way she talks to me. You like the way she smile, and yes, I love the way she smile. I love the way she communicate with me because we always when we talk together, we always talking about future when we future my future in my family and my future in her family. Future wife. Oh my. Yes, si Krista yan, sobrang ganda sa episode 13, lalo na sa personal. Nako, kung pwede nga lang hindi ko natanggalin yung mata ko sa kanya eh. Nagsumpaan na kayo ni episode 11 na salita lang sa yung umiyak siya. Do you miss me, Bali? Or Krista? I miss you both. English, bro. Buddy, what's your motto? My motto in life, time is gold. Okay, next question. Nicole, what is love? I already explained that earlier on Kalinga Brain's live. Love is what I felt in my not just partner, but also in my family and friends. Yan. When it beats two times, tug, it is love. Love is blind. Yeah, you're right. Love is blind because right now Krista can see me. So I believe love is blind. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is a pink right now. But before I love the shades of gray and white. I'm always wearing black and white. But right now when I met but now because of Krista, I love pink. Because I love white because the meaning of white to me is purity. Mike is forever. Tell us, Miko, if you're feeling to what's your feeling to Krista's real. I don't want to say that on live. All of your questions regarding to Krista and me and what I'm feeling or what Krista's feeling on me, you will wait. It's reserved for Mike Chris episodes. Bro, describe Krista's in 3 words. Okay. Krista's describes in 3 words. Ano yan? L, B, T. The meaning of L is lovable. The meaning of B is beautiful. And the meaning of T is talented. I love the way she smile. But I don't like the way she talks to me. Bro, if you had to choose one, would you prefer dancer or a singer? Please answer. Oh, I already thinking that before. I want if I have a talent, I want to be a singer, not a dancer. When pag-usapan talent, I want to be a singer kasi talaga. Because ito I explain ko. Because of singing, you can express your feeling by way of singing. Am I right? Express your feeling. Big example, the microslip. Singing is a way of expressing feeling. Explain crush. Okay. Example, eyes. When you hampas it on pader, it's crush. Okay na? Yes, what is love, Nicole? Love is incomplete without Krista. You're right. Role model in life and why? My role model in life is my mother. Because my role model and why? Okay, my mother. She's my role model. My role model because she raised me. She raised me in my 2 months old. And she never, I never felt that I am an adopted grandchild. I felt a real life. I felt to them, my grandparents, and I felt to them a real child. Yes. Kapedong kagigising ko lang talaga, kapedong. Ilan na tubo ko. Love you, buddy. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? I see myself in 5 years together with Krista. Oh my! I can see Krista on my 5 years future. Sabi ko, I can see my future together with Krista after 5 years. 5 years. And also, I can see my future in 5 years. Like more on families I've natutulungan, I've helped. Kuya Michael, you know you've become a really good singer now because galing mo siya kapatid ko, napapahiya ako dito. Wait lang ha. Kuya Michael, you know you've become a really good singer now because of Krista. I know you're great in dancing, but because of your love for her, you're slowly showing your feelings for her. Nice one, brother. Thank you so much, brother, for what you said. That's it. What was your feeling at the first time you meet Krista? It's already says on part 2 vlogs. I felt nervous. Miss Doc Michael Sakalam. Hello, shout out. Mother, can you help me? My English already exceeded. I will read some comments and you will answer. Come on.
What should I do? Oh,
go, answer. You ask a question and we will answer. Come on.
Say it. Ikaw na lang.
They don't understand English, mother. It's okay because you can handle it. Keep it going on.
Oh, sige. You can do it.
Correct, we're saying 3 words in English. I already answered that. It's LBT.
What's it?
Lovable? Check. B. Beautiful? Check. And T. Talented? Also check.
Okay. I got it.
I love LBT. Napaka-sweet nyo. I spent half my life looking for the reasons things must change. And half my life trying to make them stay the same. My love will fade like summer into fall. All that I could see was a mystery. It made no sense at all. The wheel of the wind, you feel it and then He will pass you blowing steady. It goes, and God only knows. You must keep your sails on ready. So when it begins, get all that you can. You must befriend the will of the wind.